Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Differential equations are actually easy if you follow these quick steps to solve for the function and find the final value. Let's go! First, we separate the variables by moving y to the left and x to the right. Integrating both sides gives us the natural log of y equals x squared plus a constant. Next, we use the initial condition where f of 0 equals 5 to solve for our constant. Plugging those values in shows that the natural log of 5 is our constant. Finally, plug in x equals 2 to find f. This gives 5 times e to the 4th power, making option D correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on signs. Trust the given values and check your steps.